Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you guys this new budget book from Erin Condren. So the folks over at Erin Condren sent this to me previously, like a couple of months ago. They sent me another one. They sent me this one, which is so interesting that this showed up at my door unbeknownst to me, because I just gave my mother-in-law the budget book that preceded this one, I believe. So like I got rid of one day, and then the next day, within the next hour, like by the time that I woke up, I had this one at my door. So I'm really interested in opening this and really seeing how it compares to this one, because the one that preceded this one, I don't think they even have anymore, because this one had replaced it, if that makes sense. So this says budget book includes 12 monthly budget spreads, weekly spending summaries, savings goal tracker, debt tracker, monthly savings and expense spreads, and illustrative metallic sticker sheet. Now I'm really digging this one because of the color scheme. Like, look at this. Like, this one has a lot going on. I mean, it's cute. You can get your budgeting done, no problem. But this is just so sleek and beautiful. And I live, even though I'm not like a huge fan of blue at all, I'm still living for this like more simplistic, classy look. So anyway, this is what it looks like. So it doesn't say budget book or anything on the front, so you would not be able to tell that it's a budget book just by looking at it. Also, it is A5 size, just like this one and most of the other petite planners. So, just opening it up, I'm already like in love. So I really like how that feels. It feels like the other one, let's be clear, but I really do like how this feels. And I like how, see, it's just different. And I noticed that it's different because the other ones have all looked essentially like this. So it says Erin Condren Petite Planner. Budget book, every little bit adds up. This book belongs to. And then flipping over, we have savings tracker. So we have month, saving for, deposit, total saved. So I reckon this is suggesting that we might be saving for like 2 different things each month, or we may be making like 2 different savings account transfers each month. So we do have 2 little sections per month. And then we did have the same thing on the last one, but as you can see, it is like mad colorful. So if you're into like the more neutral vibe, this might tickle your fancy a little more. Next up, we have our monthly overview, and we kind of had the same thing last time, but again, it's just like a more classier, non-colorful version, to be honest. So monthly overview, and then you can put whatever you want up there: upcoming purchases, upcoming bills, savings goals, and then income. Oh, whew. I thought that for a moment, looking at that part, I thought that they did not pre-fill in the categories, but they did. So there's that. You know, I don't have like a major beef with it. It's just, you know, I say the same thing over and over. I would like to just fill in my own stuff. I do like the major categories. I just like to fill in, you know, like just put mortgage, or just, well, I rent now, but just put rent, or just put, you know, whatever I want for each category. Because if these categories don't apply, then that could be like a major turnoff. But, you know, nobody asked me, so this isn't my planner, so I'm not here to critique it. I'm just saying I always love whenever they're not pre-filled, because then you can kind of just do what you want. However, it does seem to have like more categories or more going for it than this previous one, so that's exciting. And again, it's a way cleaner look. But yeah, my only thing is, like, I love it so far. It's my favorite of all the little budget planners that I've actually reviewed, but I really just like filling in. Like, I don't want to white out coffee. I don't want to white out sports lessons. I don't want to white out childcare. You know, I just want to write in my own little thing. But a lot of these do apply, let's be clear, but still a lot of them also don't. Like right now, I don't have any maintenance because I don't have a house. So, you know, that kind of thing. But anyway, moving right along. Next, we have a spending summary, and we get 1, 2, come through 3, 4. I feel like 4 is always necessary. I don't know who is only spending like this much per month or making this many transactions, but I can't relate. So I do think that 4 is always in order. We did have 4 last time, and this is what the pages look like. again, this is just like a cleaner version that really honestly probably appeals to, you know, more males as well. I don't know how many males are out here buying budget planners or Erin Condren planners, but I feel like this appeals to, you know, it has like a more simplistic vibe. So moving on to, oh, that's it. Yes. So, okay, so we have our like upcoming purchases and bills, like a monthly productivity type situation, then the monthly budget, and then the spending summary, and then we start over with the next month. So that's the next month, and then that's the, so it's like a gradient effect all the way through. So it's like a darker blue, oh, JK, that's like a purplish here. And then, and this is undated, which I like, so you can start it whenever. And then we have like a mustard color, and then here are the other colors. They all look the same, so I didn't see the need to, well, that's different. The months look the same. Oh, that's because I was in that same month. Okay, so that's the color scheme. Different from previously. And then in the back, we have debt tracker. So we have, this is technically for 1 debt, 2 debt, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different debts. So that's cool. Debt, starting balance, minimum payment, date, amount paid, balance. And then we do have some stickers here with a little pocket, and these are way more subtle. So this is more of like a neutral vibe, so I do like that they are appealing to the neutral people of the world. But I really do love this so much, you guys. It's just, my only thing is, if anybody ever asked me, I would say, let me fill in my own stuff. Yep. That would be my preferred thing, to fill in my own stuff. But I could probably guess that it wouldn't be like the end of the world whiting out some of these, but like even on this one I would have to white out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 technically, because retirement comes out of paychecks. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 maybe, I don't know. I'd have, you know, I would replace them with like different things, like Shay allowance, my husband's allowance, you know, I would replace them with different bills and whatnot. So that's what I mean by whiting out. I would have to white out all of those to replace those by the with the actual bills and expenses that we actually have. So, you know, that's my only beef with it, but otherwise I really love it. And just to flip through this one, just to kind of show you its whole vibe, it's pretty colorful, as you can see, and it's just like a lot of color. So, you know, I don't really know if I had to, I don't know which one I like best of these, because the color does appeal to me, but the overall aesthetic of this one like really appeals to me as well, you know. I don't know, because I was thinking about maybe using one of these. This is why I'm like really stumped, I guess, because I did think about using one of them, but I guess I'm kind of over it now. So anyway, while we're here, I will show you like what else they sent me. This wellness log is what I was sent, and then they sent me some hexagon stickers, which you can put them in like any of your Erin Condren planners, you know, just to kind of spruce it up. And then these mini calendar sticker packs, which again, this is undated, so this might be helpful to just kind of slap one of those down here, over here somewhere, you know. So yeah, that is what all I received in my most recent package, and I just wanted to show it with you guys with the main focus on the budget planners and comparing those two. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.